Good evening, everyone. This is Cricket Lot for Wednesday, August 25th, but I'm recording it on the 24th because I'm going to have family commitments tomorrow and I want to get this recording done for you. So this is going to be a fun class about perfumes and colognes. So let me share my screen so you can see the things I'm talking about, and we're going to jump right in here. So get this good smelling party started. So as you can see, there's a variety of containers that you can use for perfumes and cologne making. We're going to go through, Young Living doesn't have any of these bottles, but you can get them all kinds of places. Just Google perfume bottles and you can find them on their roller bottles, spray bottles, lots of recipes on here. So you can text me, send the perfume recipes to, and text me your email address and I'll send them through. So, I'm going to give you both recipes, but also a generic recipe so you can create your own recipes. So, you know, wearing perfume is kind of a confidence builder, isn't it? You just feel good when you know you smell good. And people, you know, people hug me and then they go, "Oh, you smell so good." And sometimes it's not even a perfume that I made. It's just the oils that I put on for myself for the day. So, so whether you're a daily wearer or an occasional spritzer, it's time for you to go with confidence on making your own personalized scent with essential oils. So, and make sure that it's safe for everybody, you and everybody around you. So many perfumes and colognes have all kinds of chemicals and things that you don't want on your body or breathing in when you spritz them. So I'm an occasional wearer. I have a bottle that a good friend of mine made for me, and I love the scent. I just never think about putting it on, even though it's sitting right there on my dresser in front of me when I get dressed in the morning. So welcome, and let's dive in and see what we can find out about making perfumes. The great thing about Young Living is you don't have to worry about using the essential oils because of their seed to seal promise. They are high quality, safe essential oils. Not all oils are created equal, so this is a good thing to have the seed to seal. So let's start with the basics. Every quality perfume or cologne needs a good base. And so you need to have that base to keep the scent intact throughout the life of the cologne. So every time you spray it, it's still there. You want it to have a good shelf life. So you'll want to choose a carrier with little to no scent. So for spray-on fragrances, you can use a clear scentless solvent like vodka or witch hazel. This helps the essential oil distribute evenly throughout the bottle. And for roll-on fragrances, an unscented carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil. So you can spritz or roll. If you choose to use water as your base, which you can, be sure to use distilled water because the minerals and impurities in non-distilled water can make it have a different kind of smell. Just know that the vodka or the witch hazel allows the essential oils to be more evenly distributed. So depending on the size of the bottle you're using, either a spray or a roller bottle, you want to loosely follow an 80-20 ratio. So the carrier oil of the solvent is 80%, and then the essential oil is the remaining 20%. Okay, so essential oil fragrances are classified as notes, just like music. So you want all the notes, the top, middle, and base notes to harmonize and make a beautiful quote unquote sound or smell. And that's why Young Living blends are already blended for you, because to make your own, you have to know this chemical stuff. So the top note is the scent that your nose detects first. It's kind of the first impression scent, usually a citrus or an herb type scent. Then the middle note is often referred to as the heart note, and it is detected 10 to 15 minutes after applying and can last several hours on your skin. It's the one that's noted after the top note is gone. It's typically warm and kind of well-rounded. And then the base note lasts far beyond the other notes, and it's the scent that appears once the others have evaporated. So it creates a lasting impression. So summarizing, the top note is the introductory scent that catches your attention. The middle note is the core, the smell that gives body to your fragrance. And the base note is what blends all three together, creating a quality smell that lasts for hours without fading. So we're going to use this quick table to, as you start blending notes. So start by choosing 2 to 4 oils in each row to work with. Add as much as your nose likes. There's no hard and fast rules to blending. And what I like to do is like just put a drop of each in my hand and kind of get a general idea of what those smell like together. I'm not real good at imagining lemon, pine, clove, and patchouli will smell good together. So I like to test them before I make a whole big giant thing. So you will get this chart if you email me and say, send me the recipe. So you'll get this chart. I'm not going to read all this because you won't remember it. And and you see there's actually 5 rows here. So there's the top, middle, and base, but then there's middle to top. So this kind of halfway between those two, and middle to base. So kind of halfway between the middle and the base notes. Okay, so be safe. It's a, oils are potent and careless use can cause harm. So general safety rules, dilute oils, 80-20 is very conservative. And that's kind of what you want to do for perfume anyway. If you feel like your new oils diluted less or more, it's totally up to you. A lot of oils can be used just straight. So, as you experiment, be sure that you keep track of your own skin so you know what's doing what. Some essential oils cause photosensitivity. That means if you put it on and then go in the sun, it can irritate your skin more, even discolor your skin or burn your skin because of the sun. So check the labels to see if there's those precautions. This is a list of some of the ones, the main ones. Any citrus oils will do this. A lot of these have citrus oils in them. So, don't let that keep you from using them for a cologne. Just, spray them where you aren't going to be exposed to the sun. And the dilution rate that's in perfume probably, for me, it probably would not be too bad to be in the sun, because you're not going to spray that much on. But be safe, put it in your cleavage, put it in your groin area. They say to put it lower on your body because the scent rises. So that's a good way to do it too. So, and then just cover, if you're going to wear a long sleeve shirt or a half sleeve shirt, put it on your elbow area. So let's dive right in. This is called Kiss in the Dark. And the recipes are all given for a roller bottle, a spritzer bottle, and a body spray. So you'll notice that the roller bottle has 10 drops of cedarwood, 9 drops of vetiver, 6 drops of patchouli, and 3 drops of black pepper. The dark spritzer, so this is in a 10 milliliter roller bottle, and then you put your carrier of choice. The spritzer bottle is 2 ounces. So put the oil in, and it's double the amount of the roller bottle. And then add the witch hazel or vodka, and then shake it, of course, each time before you use it. If you want to turn it into a spray bottle, you do an 18-ounce spray bottle and double the amount of essential oils plus 1 tablespoon vegetable glycerin and 1 tablespoon witch hazel, and then top with distilled water. And this will be a spritzer for you. Excuse me. That'll give you time. And you can certainly pause these and write these down if you don't want to get it. Okay, citrus sunrise roller. Kind of a nice light scent. Lemon, citrus fresh, peace and calming. It's a kind of an everyday use kind of scent, and it'll have you smiling all day long. I think I'm going to try this one. Lemon, citrus fresh, and peace and calming. That sounds like a great combination to me. And aren't these pretty little bottles? So this would be great bottles. Just make sure they're 2 ounces or less. If you get there's some smaller bottles, just cut down the amount of essential oils that you use it. Or again, if you want a body spray, use an 8-ounce bottle and just double the amount that's in the spritz. Okay, how about Bohemian Wildflower? Doesn't that sound good? Patchouli, bergamot, myrrh, and joy. That sounds awesome. So this will be more flowery scent. With the patchouli, the bergamot, the myrrh, just more sweet. So again, here's the roller, here's the spritz, and here's the body spray. Okay, how about wildwood? If your man loves the outdoors, this is a perfect one for him or for you to wear to attract him. How about that? So they're a little more earthy smells: blue spruce, sandalwood, cypress. And again, how to make a spritz, how to make a roller, and how to make a body spray. Then how about the freshman roller? So this can be men. For clean shaven, clean cut men deserve a cologne that reflects their fresh and clean vibe. So this mix of oils will be just what he needs: vetiver, lemon, and fennel. Fennel to me tastes a little like, smells like black licorice. So kind of a more manly scent, but it's certainly one that women can use too. Vetiver is a little more earthy as well, so this might be a good one for the guys. Okay, so that is it for the recipes. And I told you this was going to be a fast and easy class. So this, of course, Essential Rewards is the best deal. So, and if you need any help with ordering on the new website, certainly call me. I walked a couple people through it, and once we walked through it over the phone, it was just so easy for them. So don't get frustrated. Just call me and I'll walk you through it real quick. It doesn't take long at all. And once you get the hang of it, you'll be like, oh, this is so much better. So thank you for coming, for viewing this, and have a great rest of your day. Love you guys.